Good morning, Mr. and Mrs. Opaya Kistek Textile Malaysia. Previously, I would like to introduce myself, Rati Rahmawati, with my partner Susan Husanti and Betaria Dara. We hear a representative from Guna Biometric will explain about the attendance matching the we product. I will explain here about the company profile. PT Guna Biometric was formed based on our commitment to the development of biometric technology including fingerprint recognition system and facial recognition system by prioritizing the best solution for various business fields and disciplines in Indonesia. Industry business equipment, size 10 to 13 employee, head office Bandung West Java, type public enterprise. Biometric is technology to identify a person's biological characteristic. The characteristics of a person are relatively different from person to person, or can be said that each individual has unique characteristics. These uniques can then be used to identify and verify a document, application, system, computer, and so on. Biometric can be classified into main types, namely physiological characteristics and behavioral characteristics. Physiological characteristics are more directed to a person's physical scan such as fingerprints, retina, facial recognition, DNA matching, and so on. Meanwhile, behavioral characteristics refer to the unique way an individual behaves. Product types. Number 1. Fingerprint matching. Fingerprint matching is the matching to detect use fingerprint, which is usually used for employee attendance and also room access control. And number 2. Face recognition. Face recognition or facial recognition matching is facial identification device that can be used for attendance and also access to enter a room.
Okay, this is product specification and price. Wi-Fi fetch attendance machine Revo WFI 207 NC fingerprint support door access. The price is 2,450,000 and in Malaysia 705.25. Revo WFI can scan attendance as well as professional door access control that has many options for scanning with face, fingerprint, card, and password. It is equipped with a time zone setting to control who has the right to access the door. This machine is also equipped with a door sensor that can detect if the door is forgotten to be closed or forced open. In addition, this machine is also equipped with a tamper button which can trigger an alarm if the machine is forcibly removed from the bracket. Get the benefit. The first, Wi-Fi connection. For more particle data access without setting a network cable, and then can be used to open the door. Professional access control, and has a door sensor that triggers an alarm when the door is tampered with or forcibly opened and a notification appears. And then equipped with SSQ feature to view attendance data directly on the attendance machine, and has an SSR feature for setting the working hours of employees on the machine. The last, there is a schedule bell as an alarm to remind you when to enter, rest, go home, change shift, and so on. Product quality and assurance. The product you receive is guaranteed 100% new and original, and then warranty 12 months, get additional warranty plus 6 months, and then safe delivery throughout Indonesian packaging using additional bubble wrap. And the last, accommodate up to 1,000 employees, 1,000 face, 10,000 fingerprints, and 1,000 card, and then 200,000 audience data.
Today, I will tell you about product advantage. Advantage of using fingerprint machine. 1. Faster and more practical. One can instantly prove his presence by simply sticking his finger on the detection screen. 2. More accurate data. Because its employee fingerprint pattern is unique and different, the accuracy of the attendance data will be guaranteed. Cheating that usually occurs by depositing a manual timesheet can be eliminated. 3. Larger capacity. Fingerprint attendance machine can accommodate a very larger data capacity. This is very beneficial because there is no need to use a manual attendance card that costs a lot of money. Or knowing employee performance by looking at working hours. The company human resource development certainly want to know the length of working hours the employee attendance currently accurately to determine the employee performance. From the data entered on the attendance machine, it will be easy to calculate the working hours of the employee concerned. 5. Access control door. Digital and biometrical fingerprint machines are very useful for providing door control access in office, warehouse, and other certain room to store important document or valuable can use an access door so that only trusted people can enter. And 6. Knowing the salary to be fine based on employee absence in accordance with the policy of each company. The attendance machine is very useful for calculating the salary or wages of the employee concerned. Attendance software will be a advantage for company. They have hundreds of employees because the basic salary and even overtime pay can be calculated for easily. I think enough. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.